Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a military recommendation letter. What is a military recommendation letter? A military recommendation letter is a formal document written by a superior officer, or commanding officer, to endorse a service member for a promotion, special program, or new opportunity, such as applying for a leadership role, joining a training program, or entering a specialized military unit. This letter highlights the individual's skills, leadership abilities, work ethic, achievements, and commitment to duty, emphasizing their qualifications for the position or opportunity they are seeking. It serves as a testament to the individual's professional conduct, character, and potential within the military. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a military recommendation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information as a sender. The details that you need to include are full name of the writer, rank and position, in this case, captain and company commander and unit or military organization you are affiliated with. And also, you can write your contact details like address, email, and phone number. After that, write the exact date when the letter was written. Use the format of month, day, and year. And then, write the recipient's information. You can simply write, to whom it may concern. It is used if the specific recipient is unknown, or the letter is addressed to a group, like a selection committee. In the first paragraph, introduce the subject of the recommendation. Here, you need to state the name and rank of the individual being recommended. By doing so, you need to briefly mention the reason for the recommendation, in this case is for the Army Officer Candidate School Program. And here is the example how you write it. I am writing to recommend Sergeant Emily Thompson, currently serving in the 1st Battalion, 75th Ranger Regiment, for the Army Officer Candidate School, or OCS program. And then, describe the writer's relationship with the individual. They are including the time period you have known each other, and the professional capacity in which you have worked together. For example, you may write it like this. As her company commander at Fort Stewart, I have had the privilege of observing Sergeant Thompson's outstanding performance, leadership qualities, and dedication to service over the past 3 years. In the second paragraph, write professional competence and performance. You need to highlight the individual's professional skills and qualifications. Therefore, provide specific examples of the individual's performance and proficiency in their duties. For example, you can write it like this. Sergeant Thompson has consistently demonstrated exceptional proficiency in her duties and responsibilities. Not only that, you need to also elaborate on how they excel in the execution of their tasks and responsibilities. If you have no idea what to write, you may copy this. She possesses a deep understanding of military operations and has played a crucial role in the success of our missions, including the recent deployment to Afghanistan. Of course, it is necessary to mention any specific missions or deployments the individual has participated in and their contributions to those efforts. You can elaborate it like this. Her analytical skills, strategic thinking, and ability to make sound decisions under pressure have been invaluable to our team. In the third paragraph, write about leadership and character. You need to emphasize the leadership qualities and character of the individual. Therefore, highlight the individual's leadership abilities and personal qualities, like integrity, resilience, and commitment. For example, you may write it like this. In addition to her operational excellence, Sergeant Thompson is a natural leader, who inspires her peers with her integrity, resilience, and commitment to the core values of our armed forces. And then, describe how they lead their team in challenging situations, encouraging teamwork and respect. This is the example how you write it. She has effectively led her squad through challenging situations, fostering a spirit of teamwork, respect, and excellence. Besides, you need to provide specific examples of when the individual's leadership had a significant positive impact. Take a look at the following sample. Her leadership during a critical mission to secure vital intelligence significantly contributed to our unit's success, demonstrating her capability to lead under the most demanding circumstances. In the fourth paragraph, write professional development and growth. You need to show the individual's commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Yes, mention any efforts the individual has made toward their professional development, such as completing additional training or courses. Here is the example how you write it. Moreover, Sergeant Thompson's dedication to continuous improvement and professional development is commendable. And you can continue by discussing how their drive to improve positively influences others around them. For example, you may write something like, "She actively seeks out learning opportunities and has completed additional leadership training courses, enhancing her skills and setting a positive example for others to follow." In the fifth paragraph, write about community involvement and morale contribution. Here, you need to highlight the individual's contributions beyond their job, particularly to the military community and morale. In doing so, mention any involvement in community or volunteer projects, or participation in events that support the military or veterans. Here is the example how you write it. Sergeant Thompson also contributes positively to the morale and welfare of her colleagues and the broader military community. And then, illustrate how their efforts positively impacted the morale of their peers or the broader community. For example, you may write something like, "She has been involved in organizing community service projects and supporting veterans events, demonstrating her compassion and dedication to service beyond the call of duty." In the sixth paragraph, write your final recommendation and conclusion. Yes, summarize your recommendation and express confidence in the individual's future success. In doing so, clearly state that the individual is highly recommended for the specific program or position. This is the example how you recommend the candidate. "I am confident that Sergeant Emily Thompson will excel in the Army Officer Candidate School program and bring honor to our military." Not only that, but also you need to briefly reiterate key qualities or accomplishments that make the individual an ideal candidate. For example, you may write it like this: "Her skills, leadership, and exemplary service record make her an outstanding candidate." And once again, show your final recommendation about the candidate. "I strongly recommend Sergeant Thompson for this opportunity, and believe she will make significant contributions in the future." In the seventh paragraph, write your contact information and offer for follow-up. Offer the reader a way to follow up for more details by providing your contact information, and invite the recipient to reach out for further details or clarification. Here is the example how you write it. "Please do not hesitate to contact me at 912-555-1234 or john.carter@usarmy.mil. should you require any further information or wish to discuss Sergeant Thompson's qualifications in more detail." And the last paragraph, thank the reader for their time and consideration of the letter. You may simply write, "Thank you for considering my recommendation." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name, rank and position, and unit or military organization. So, that's how you write a military recommendation letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.